Let's talk about those senior cats and what we can do to help them. Because just like people, senior cats get a decline going. Sometimes they get a little more vocal, a little louder, kind of like when grandpa yells at you because he can't hear how loud he's being. And you may see that they wake up in the middle of the night and get disoriented and cry out for your help. It might not even be at night because they can get a cognitive decline, as well as arthritis and things that cause aches and pains. So keep an eye on them, take them to the vet for a senior panel and make sure everything's running okay. And try not to move things around if your cat is getting some cognitive decline. Keep things the same as much as you possibly can. Patience is key here, but we can help them.